Hello guys, here is another makeup inspired by planets, and this time is makeup inspired by Mars. First, I'm putting this Glow On primer by Avon, and I really love it because it gives my skin that fresh look that I like. The next is foundation, and I'm putting my favorite Catrice matte foundation that I really love, but it's empty, so I have to buy a new one because it's really good, and it's not sponsored, but I really like it. Then I'm putting this concealer under my eyes and on my forehead and on my chin to brighten it all up. And I'm blending it out with my purple beauty blender. I'm now using this lighter side of my contouring palette, and I use it to set up my face. Here I'm doing my eyebrows with this eyeshadow palette from Maybelline, and I really love it because it matches my brows perfectly, so yeah. Here I am putting this clear brow gel. I'm using this shade from my Essence palette, and I'm putting in the outer corner of my eye in my crease, and then I'm blending it up with this color, and I blend it all over my crease. Here I'm blending these two colors that I already put on my eye with these three red colors from that black palette that doesn't have name, and I'm blending it all up with that red, and I'm putting this red under my eyes. Here I'm putting concealer in an inner corner of my eye, to light that part so I can put another eyeshadow on it.
Hey, that's pretty good.
And here I'm mixing these two gold shades from black palette and put it on my concealer. Here I'm putting this Maybelline Go Extra Volume Mascara. Now I'm using this contouring palette, and this time I'm using the darker shades to contour my face. I'm putting this under my cheekbones and on my forehead. And after that I'm using that three colors from my Essence palette to for the blush, like to be a little bit red because Mars is red planet, so yeah. This highlighter and I'm putting it on my cheekbones and on my nose, and I'm blending it out with my beauty blender. Now I'm using this clear lipstick and I put it on my lips, and after that I'm using two shades of red and put it on my lips to give that like fresh look, but red, you know. And we are done. I hope you like this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye, love you.